The good news, hopes of softer Trump tariff from Trump's administration. Overnight, Nasdaq jumped around 2% and led the rally at Wall Street. Amidst this backdrop, we suspect Nifty IT index could power higher on tariff relief hopes. Our call of the day suggests that the unstoppable bull run at Dalal and the string of gains could continue for the 7th straight session. That brings to our call of the day, which is in favor with the Nifty bull scam on the backdrop of newly optimistic FII scam. The street is hoping that the FII selling may halt on backdrop of fall in US dollar index towards 104 levels as Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's recent statements were relatively dovish. Technically speaking, Nifty is now comfortably above its 21 DMA and 50 DMA with the recent sequence of higher high-low on the daily time frame. Now, all bullish eyes will be on Nifty's 200 DMA at 24,074 mark. Long story short, bullish consolidation is quite likely for benchmark Nifty as stock-specific action on the buy side will command investors' attention. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 3056 crores while DIIs too net bought shares to the tune of Rs 99 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting desired consolidation, especially after last 6 days of solid gains. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is still hovering near 13.70 levels. At last check, USD INR 26th March expiry has slipped near 85.63. Nifty PCR 27th March is at 1.16 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 27th March is at 1.28. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely. Nifty CMP 23658. Biggest make or break intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,533 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,500 and 23800. Bias for the day is bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 51705. Bank Nifty's biggest interweek support at 50,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 52,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,205 to 200. Bias for the day is bullish. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty turned positive for 2025. Bank Nifty was star outperformer, up 2%, and most importantly, Bank Nifty too hit its highest level of CY 2025 as ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank scaled fresh all-time highs. All sectors ended in green led PSU Bank's index, plus 3.18%. Nifty Midcap, plus 1.3%, and Small Cap indices, plus 1.1%, too registered sizable gains. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. Defense stocks continued to command investors' attention driven by global developments that promise increased demand for defense equipment. Defense stocks which were on fire yesterday were Bharat Dynamics, plus 5.15%, HAL, plus 6.13%, and MTR Tech, plus 7.26%. 2. The stock price of Power Mech was up 17% on bagging hours. 597 crore order from BHEL.